Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials, logged into GitHub with two-factor authentication enabled. Once logged in, open your avatar menu at top right and choose settings so you're in the right account context. Make sure you have an idea which repositories and scopes you need. This guides permissions. Next, click Developer Settings, then Personal Access Tokens to begin creating a token. You do this now because permissions and 2FA change how tokens are issued. Proceed immediately to generate a new token. You're now in the token creation flow. Click Generate New Token and type a clear name so you recognize its purpose later. Once done, choose only the scopes required, for example repo for code access or workflow for actions. Select Read, org if you need organization metadata. Make sure to set an expiration that matches security policy. Shorter is safer. Review each permission carefully because tokens are powerful. Finally, confirm to create the token and immediately copy it, since you won't see it again. You must copy the token immediately and store it in a secure vault or as an encrypted environment variable. Don't paste into chat or code. Then, use it with Git as credential, curl authorization headers, or run ghauth login to authenticate the CLI. Once integrated, verify access by performing a simple operation like listing repos. If anything goes wrong, token missing, leaked, or insufficient permissions, revoke the token in settings and regenerate with corrected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.